Brr, it's kind of chilly. Anyway, what I want to do today, a real quick little video, is that I want to try to see how long it would take me to get the Mavic Mini Airborne. Say I was driving in my car and I have the Mini, which I do, sitting in the front seat of the car. See it right there? And I'm driving along and I pull up to some fire or something like that, and I say, oh shit, I can get some video of this. How long would it actually take me to get this thing airborne? So I'm gonna cut this video and I'm gonna put the hat cam on and I'm gonna start that and see how long it takes. Now I'm not gonna know because I'm not gonna sit there and count, but I'll put the clock in when I start doing it. I'll put the clock in the video. All right, I'm pulling up to a fire. Oh boy, here it is. Grab the Mini. Must want a compass calibration, so that blew that right down the tubes. See, you can do that without a, without a phone too. See, there it is, it just started up. So I'll have to start that over. See, a lot of people don't know you can do you don't need the app even for the compass calibration. It's telling you that it needs it by flashing those yellow lights. Yep, you can do the compass calibrations without the app. That's another thing people don't realize. Oh, let me close the zipper. Okay, we'll start this again. Oh, there's a fire. Well, it wants me to, oh, there it goes. Well, it took a lot longer that time than it did the other time, so. Because I'm here waiting for Kim at the doctor's office. That's what I'm doing here. And I don't have the app running, as you can see. actually never flown this before since I just had it in the house. Pretty smooth. All right, well, I'll put the time in there on how long it took to do to get the takeoff. That one, it took a little bit longer than I thought it would to get the green light to where you could take off. But I'll put the time in there. Oh, this thing is nice as hell, guys, I'm telling you. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.